Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Making Something from Nothing. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I broke out the old paint can forge and I'm going to flip this thing vertical. We're going to melt some aluminum in it and do a casting. This thing's actually kind of neat. I really like using it, and I'll tell you what, this thing's a little monster. And so I take the paint can forge and just flip it vertical. Now this little forge, and in this case furnace, is made from a discarded paint can, a used one, and a 50-50 mix of plaster of Paris and sand. And the hole in the center was actually formed by a breadcrumb container. So it's very simple to do, and the total cost is under $5, honestly. It's a good option if you need to make a furnace. I've had this thing for a long time. I just don't use it much because I built myself a regular blacksmith propane forge, if you want to check out that video. And I have a regular, actually two regular furnaces, so this one doesn't see much use. But it's a good option for someone that wants to start out. It'll get you by. It's only been less than a minute. Won't take long, I don't think. Having a good burner is really the key to any successful furnace, so make sure your burner's a good one.
Well, I'll be honest, I've done better castings.
I made these to use as paperweights for my desk. They work really good.
Okay, well, the shape of this casting wasn't done on purpose, so I know I'm going to hear some comments about it, but be nice. We got kids watching the channel.
Well, I just want to put a disclaimer about this video. Although the refractory made with the plaster of Paris and sand works good, it's not a long-term solution because the heat's going to cause this stuff to crack and eventually break up, and you're going to have to replace it. But for under $5, it's a viable option if you need to get started in metal casting.